Hello students, today we will start classification of disease. Disease can be broadly classified into two main parts. One is communicable disease and the second one is non-communicable disease. So this communicable disease, the communicable disease is a disease which are transmitted directly or indirectly, means which is be spread from one person to other person. So those disease are known as communicable disease or infectious disease, which is be spread from one infected person to healthy person. They are caused by microorganisms, and those organisms, microorganisms, grow and multiply within the host body and turning it into a storehouse of the disease. And these communicable disease are very harmful for us, and this is be caused by pathogens. What is the mean of pathogens? Those microorganisms who can be cause disease in our body. This disease spread either directly, like tuberculosis, influenza, cholera. These all are the disease which is be transmitted directly, or though by the agents or carriers like malaria, kala jar. So this disease can be spread both directly also or indirectly also. Now non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease which are not transmitted from one person to another person, because this disease is be not spread from one infected person to healthy person. So that disease who one is not be spread, those disease is known as non-infectious disease. So this non-communicable disease is be not spread by the help of pathogens. Disease caused by the intrinsic factors like hormonal disorders and allergies, by nutritional deficiency in our body. So this nutritional deficiency, hormonal disorders are the reason of this non-communicable disease, and this disease is be harmful for us because it is a long term disease. Example: cardiac failure, kidney failure, osteoporosis, myopia, cataract, sickle cell anemia. These all are the examples of non-communicable disease.